Now stop! So I've shown you many phone cases in the past. It's getting harder and harder to innovate in this space. It's like everything you could possibly imagine. I showed you a phone case with a lighter in it. So if that doesn't tell you that the phone case market is crazy, then maybe today's case will. This is for the iPhone 7 Plus. And this one is the original dual optics lens solution for iPhone 7 Plus, but it's no longer dual optics. Now it's 6-in-1, 6 lens interchangeable system on your phone. It's insane. Look at this picture. You can see that. It's like when they zoom up on an insect, you can actually see all those little eyeballs they got going on. Like a spider or something. Jack loves spiders. Give me a little nod, Jack. A little nod up and down. Oh, Jack does not. Apparently, Jack does not like spiders. A fisheye lens, a macro lens, a wide-angle telephoto, super macro, and another telephoto. Now remember, on the iPhone 7 Plus, you already have 2 lenses. This is another lens times 3 for each lens. 6 lenses. That's 10. 6 lenses total. Full body protection as well. Don't forget that. The wide angle lens gives you a 120-degree field of view. Think of that kind of like that GoPro appearance, that GoPro look. Fisheye goes even further to 180 degrees. Oh, already. All right, so the lens piece, it slides on like this. There's a little rail there that it clips into, and then you end up with something that's pretty easy to slide up. You can even put your finger there, and it locks into place with each lens set. One there, next one, next one. All right, so let's do a little demonstration. Let's see how this thing operates. I have some wonderful fake grass here, so we can get an idea of what the iPhone does without this, and then what it does with. There is your stock iPhone setup. Boom, photo. What makes the 7 Plus cool is the ability to zoom optically. Move to the other lens, grab focus, boom. Now go back to the one-time zoom and slide up to the first set of lenses here. There they are. So you can see we got substantially wider now. Very wide shot. So you still have your zoom on the other lens. You're not giving up your other lens when you have the wide angle enabled. Now I'm a big fan of wide angle shots. You can see now how much wider that frame is. Normal, wide, beautiful wide. Let's go back to our wonderful fake grass here and move up to the next one. Okay, now the next setting is a 10 times macro and a 20 times super macro. Ooh, such detail so close. And if I flick in one last time, oh my, the double macro, it's insane. I'm seeing the fibers on the fake grass. This is the first stage macro, and you can basically see the print, the little dots of print in the text. I'll take this photo. But then when I toggle this one up to the next level, there's our super macro. Super, I'm even on the word super. How perfect is that? I'm on the word super right now. That's a crazy amount of detail. And of course, if I just went back to the iPhone lens here, nothing. Good luck to ya. Good luck. The closest you can focus is somewhere around there. In other words, pretty standard, just like Jack would have over there. So our last setup here, we're gonna flick all the way to the end. This is where we're gonna get our fisheye effect. Whoa. Now that's very wide, and you have that old school skateboard video look. You'll see the whole setup. That's pretty cool. We can also move over towards Jack's location. Get a nice wide frame of Jack over there, putting in work. So once again, I can move from mega fisheye wide to a more familiar focal range there. Very cool. So essentially what this is doing is it's overlaying a new piece of glass onto the glass that you already have. And it's acting as an adapter, making that original lens behave differently through the optics that you're putting in front of it. This is the most lenses I've ever seen on one case that all stays together. I think the most useful stuff is probably the wide angle as well as the macro. The macro is gonna let your phone do something it just couldn't possibly do otherwise. This is stuff that photographers have been playing with through interchangeable lens systems forever. And I guess what you have here in the case of the Switch 6 is an interchangeable lens system in one package in a case for an iPhone 7 Plus. And of course, you could remove the lens unit completely and still get the protection of the case, put this in a little bag somewhere, carry it with you, and then go full artist, full tourist mode when you need to.